Surge protectors, to protect or not to protect. What is surge protection? Most modern ACs and heat pumps have advanced electronics in them. These computers need to be protected from high and low voltage surges, lightning strikes, and brownouts. Some have even protected equipment from electric utilities working on transformers and lines. Good quality surge protectors are cheap insurance for your large investment in HVAC equipment. Most surge protectors carry a 1-year warranty, and if they fail, that means they are working and protecting your equipment. A good quality surge protector that we highly recommend is the ICM 493. The ICM 493 has a number of important features. It protects against over and under voltage, rapid short cycling caused by transient voltage, and high power surges. It is ideal for mini splits or other condensing units. It's easy to view, and it has a backlit digital display. It has a bank of 5 LL surge arresters. It has a built-in 40 amp contactor and is available for larger equipment with a 60 amp contactor. It is enclosed in a waterproof, NEMA-rated 3R enclosure for outdoor use, and it has an easy installation and setup. The ICM 493 easily installs mounted near your electrical disconnect and monitors voltage being supplied to your HVAC unit. We highly recommend that on installations of inverter-driven HVAC equipment, you offer your customer the ultimate in equipment protection by quoting them a high-quality surge protector such as the ICM 493. Call Arevco Parts today to get a quote on this quality surge protector.
Go to arevco.com for more videos, like, subscribe, and check back every week for new videos.